Hi, I'm Jeremy Mercer. I'm the CEO of Matador Capital, and I specialize in investing in Class B and C industrial assets in the Texas and Oklahoma markets. Today I'm going to talk to you about the difference between the OPCO of a PE and the assets themselves. When we invest in our deals, there's the operating company, Matador Capital, that does all the work and all the lifting and all the management of the assets. And then the assets are there themselves. We purchase those in a separate entity, and Matador will manage those assets. The OPCO will charge fees on the asset in order to operate the asset. And the GP or the OPCO has the ability to earn returns through a promote down the road, which I have numerous videos on a promote if you don't understand what a promote is. Running the operating company at a break even or a loss and thinking that you will make it up in your promote is just not a way to run a business. If you're thinking about paying out of the promote down the road, then all you're really saying is, I'm going to do all this work for free, and I hope I hit what we all thought was going to happen at the end of the day. I just don't believe in that. We charge fees for our real estate assets and for the services performed on them, and not all fees are created equal. They're somewhat standardized, but they're on a case-by-case basis. Our acquisition fees sometimes are 2%, sometimes they're 3%. It depends what's involved in the property, how many tenants, how many leases, how many bad leases, if we can even get information out of the ownership. And then you also have to think about, okay, well, these fees need to be charged because if the sponsor doesn't do them, he would have to outsource them and pay for them. You need to know what a third party would charge for them in order to evaluate whether the sponsor or the operating company is charging the correct fee. The deal return comes down to execution. And the OPCO has to charge fees to execute the deal strategy. So understand when you're paying fees, that's what it's for. That's to make everybody incentivized to come to work every day and to operate that asset to squeeze the most juice out of that for the return down the road when we exit the property. My name's Jeremy Mercer again. I'm CEO of Matador Capital. If you want to talk more about commercial real estate investments, hit me up on Instagram, like our YouTube channel, or reach out to us at matador-capital.com.